With that sunny bed prepped and waiting, let's settle into one last step before planting, one that sounds fancy but is really just good manners toward your plants. Hardening off. Your seedlings have lived their whole lives in stable, cozy indoor conditions. If you take them straight from that into full sun and wind, the shock can stunt or even kill them. Hardening off is simply the process of introducing them to the outdoors gradually. Over the course of about a week to 10 days, set them outside for a little longer each day. Start with an hour or two in a sheltered, shady spot, then slowly increase the time and the amount of direct sun. Bring them in at night at first. By the end of the week, they'll be tough enough to handle a full day outdoors. Now, when do they actually go in the ground? Wait until all danger of frost has passed and nighttime temperatures stay reliably above about 50 degrees. Tomatoes are warmth lovers. Cold soil just makes them sulk. When you plant, here's a trick that feels wrong but works beautifully. Plant them deep. Strip off the lower leaves and bury the stem so that only the top cluster of leaves sits above the soil. Tomatoes grow roots all along any buried stem, so deep planting gives you a much stronger, more drought-resilient root system. Space your plants generously, roughly 2 feet apart for most varieties, so air can move between them and disease has a harder time taking hold. Water them in well to settle the soil around the roots. And just like that, your plants have made the leap from windowsill to garden. They're in their forever home now, but to climb and thrive, they're going to need something to lean on. That's where we go next.